today's lecture we will talk about the photosynthetic pigments. Photosynthetic pigments are molecules that capture sunlight. These are molecules that capture sunlight. These photosynthetic pigments are classified into three major groups. They are classified into three major groups. The first group of pigments are known as chlorophylls. The second group is known as carotenoids. And the third group is known as phycobilins. Each group of pigments have their own types. There are different types of chlorophylls, such as chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, chlorophyll C, D, E, and F. The same way carotenoids has its own types, such as carotenes and xanthophylls. And phycobilins also have its own types, phycocyanin and phycoerythrin. So from here chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B are found, such as chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B are found in higher plants. And chlorophyll C and D, they are found in algae. And chlorophyll E and F are found in bacteria. So from chlorophyll group, chlorophyll A and B are found in higher plants, chlorophyll C and D are found in algae, and chlorophyll E and F are found in bacteria. So now we discuss chlorophyll A and B in detail. After that we discuss carotenoids and its types. At last we discuss phycobilins and its types. So now we discuss the group chlorophylls. So we know that chlorophylls are green pigments. So from this group we discuss chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B in detail. So here we discuss chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B. Chlorophyll A is blue-green in color. While chlorophyll B is yellow-green in color. The chemical formula of chlorophyll A is C55H72O5 N4 Mg, whereas the formula of chlorophyll B is C55H70O6 N4 Mg. Chlorophyll A contains methyl group, whereas chlorophyll B contains an aldehyde group. Chlorophyll A is known as essential pigment. It is known as essential pigment because it absorbs and converts light energy into chemical energy. And chlorophyll B is known as accessory pigment. This is an accessory pigment. It absorbs light and transfer it to chlorophyll A molecule. So these are few differences between chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B. So now we discuss another group of photosynthetic pigments. They are carotenoids. As you know that there are two types of carotenoids, carotenes and xanthophylls. Carotenes and xanthophylls. Carotenes are red or orange pigments. They are red or orange color pigments, whereas xanthophylls are yellow or brown pigments. They are yellow or brown pigments. Carotenes are pure hydrocarbons, whereas xanthophylls are oxygenated hydrocarbons. They are oxygenated hydrocarbons. Most common example of carotene is beta carotene. Beta carotene found in carrot. Most common example of xanthophyll is fucoxanthin, which is found in brown algae. So now we discuss the last group of photosynthetic pigments. They are known as phycobilins. Phycobilins are water soluble proteins. Phycobilins also have two types. The first is known as phycocyanin and the other one is phycoerythrin. Phycocyanin are purple color pigments. They are purple in color, whereas phycoerythrin are red color pigment. Phycocyanin are found in blue-green algae and red algae, whereas phycoerythrin are only found in red algae. Phycocyanin and phycoerythrin both are accessory pigments. Phycoerythrin also, they are accessory pigments. They capture light and transfer it to reaction center. Now we discuss the structure of chlorophyll. Chlorophyll molecule is composed of a head and a tail. The head is known as porphyrin head, and the tail is known as phytol tail. Porphyrin head is hydrophilic, and phytol tail is hydrophobic. The head contains magnesium in center. There are 4 nitrogen containing rings surrounding the magnesium ions known as pyrrole rings. The head also contains another ring which is known as cyclopentanone ring. This is actually the head portion which gives green color to the pigment. The function of head is to capture light and initiate the process of photosynthesis. Now we come to the phytol tail, which is hydrophobic. The phytol tail helps in anchoring the molecule in the thylakoid membrane. Chemically, the phytol tail is a hydrocarbon tail containing 20 carbon. Now we draw a typical structure of a chlorophyll molecule. It contains magnesium ions in center. Attached to magnesium ions, there are 4 nitrogen containing pyrrole rings. This is the first ring and second ring, third ring, and this is the fourth ring. These 4 rings are known as pyrrole rings. It also contains the 5th ring here. This is the 5th ring, which is known as cyclopentanone ring. Now we count the carbon. Carbon number 1 is here, carbon 2 here, this is carbon number 3 and carbon number 4, 5th carbon and 6th, 7th and 8th, the 9th carbon is here and 10th one is here. At the 3rd carbon of 2nd pyrrole ring, this position is known as R position because there are variable functional groups. If it's chlorophyll A, so it contains methyl group at R position. If it's chlorophyll B, so R position contains aldehyde group. Attached to 7th carbon of 4th pyrrole ring, there is a hydrocarbon tail, which is known as phytol tail. Phytol tail is actually a hydrocarbon tail.